Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be making some very tender and delicious oxtail. If you're excited, I'm excited too. Let's get started. I will start off by washing the oxtail with some lime juice. I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes. After washing the oxtail, I added half onion, half yellow bell pepper, half red bell pepper, some green onions, and some garlic. I am adding some seasoning to the meat, and you can use any kind of seasoning you have. I'm gonna cover this and let it marinate overnight. It's optional, you don't have to marinate it overnight. In this blender, I have 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 1 habanero pepper, half green bell pepper, half red bell pepper, and some green onions. I also have a piece of ginger, but it's optional. I will start browning the oxtail. I'm adding a little oil to the pot. You don't have to add the brown sugar. I'm adding some brown sugar. If you do decide to add some brown sugar, it really don't add any kind of sweetness to the oxtail, but it's optional. I am adding all of the ingredients that I added to the oxtail to marinate overnight back to the oxtail. I am using 2 cans of butter beans. You can use 1 if you want to. I am also adding the blended ingredients to the oxtail. I am adding enough water to the oxtail. I'm going to let this cook till the oxtail is tender. Once the liquid reduces, I add more water and repeat the process. I always check to see if the oxtail is burning because they burn so easily. So making sure to keep a close eye on the oxtail. After 4 to 5 hours, this is what it's looking like. The oxtail is really tender. You can reduce the liquid more if you want to, but this is where I'm gonna stop. If you guys haven't tried oxtail before, I highly recommend you do because oh my gosh, they're so good. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.